Hi, welcome back to Eng Research. Today I'm just finishing up putting the cylinders up on the thing just temporarily, and then I'm going to be taking the valves back off. Yesterday I spent the day putting the valves and stuff all together and hooking up all the air lines, and I was going to see if my timing is correct. Well, I think the timing is okay, but I had a major problem with the valves. For some reason, I guess it's my own fault, but I wanted to try to use as much aluminum on the engine as I could for weight. But when I tried to run it and turn it on and stuff, then the valves kept sticking. And I finally came to the conclusion that I shouldn't have made the valves out of aluminum. So I'm going to have to remake all the valves and use the regular metal, because of the metal stems on the valve stem. I guess it's just sticking inside the valve or cutting into it or something, but it won't work with the aluminum valves. I'm hoping that the cylinders will be okay. They seem to work okay out of aluminum, but I'll have to see what that happens to for sure. I still have to make the airline connection for this one yet, to go from here to here. And once I take the valves off, then I'm going to have to start making new ones. I went ahead and bought the metal today for both the new valve stems and also for the valve bodies. But for now, I'm going to shut off the video. I have to turn this thing around. I've got to take the air lines loose on the back that I made in order to take the valves off. So I'll turn it back on once I start doing that. Okay, I've got to turn back on, so I'm going to go ahead in a minute and take these air lines off. So I can start working on the valves. Let's see. This stuff in my way. Always something. Which valve? What do I need? This here. Yeah. I guess I should mark these things so I know how to put it back together too. So if I say 1, 1. That's 5. Yeah. Number 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Yeah, hopefully I won't have any problem when I hook up these lines again. Let's see. It's going to come off of there. Got to be careful I don't rub the mark off. Well, right now, this is not too heavy. That's one thing, but now when I put these 5.5 inch steel valves on here, it's going to make it a fair amount heavier, I'm afraid. I mean, I can pick it up fairly easy now, and that's a complete engine. So, I hate to have to do that. But that's the way life goes, I guess, sometimes. Let's see, I guess I want to. Everything's pretty easy to work on, actually. I mean, I've got 2 bolts that hold this on, so once I take the air lines off, just take it off. No problem. I better use my thing on it. This is how it went back on there. Four, five, so it goes on like that. And then 4, 5. Okay. I'll start with number one. How's that? There's not much fun just watching, so I'm not sure what else I can say. I've got my adapter plate put on the car. I got the flywheel part that's going to be on the adapter. I've got that cut out, but I don't have it finished yet. This is the clutch plate that's going to go on the end of the adapter. Let's see, where is it? It's on the car, I guess. Anyway, this, when I get it machined out, will bolt onto the adapter that goes onto the drive shaft, like so. Of course, it sticks up, like so. And then this will be bolted to the flywheel. I guess if you like that, though. Where is it? Yeah, they have to go this way. And then that goes on. And the splines here, that slips over the pilot shaft on the transmission so that it'll be hooked up direct to the engine and the transmission. But that's still got to be worked on. What else? Well, that's really about it. Once I get the valves remade, make sure the timing is correct, barring any other problems, then I should be ready to actually put this together with the adapter, hook it to the thing and take it out there. Well, I've got to make 4 3/4 inch threaded rods that go into these holes, and I've got to make a special plate that goes on the other side because they're not threaded. And then there'll be a nut on this side and another nut, and then it sticks into the adapter plate with a nut behind to hold it all together. So that won't take a whole lot of time. So now I guess I'll just go ahead and shut that off. Can't think of anything else that I really need to say for now. So thanks for checking in. Short video, but letting you know that I'm at least in the process of working on it. So till next time, thanks again.